Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Kaizo Nightmare app not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on Android phone. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your phone and then you can launch the Kaizo Nightmare app and check if your problem is solved or not. Second solution is to check for Kaizo Nightmare app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Kaizo Nightmare and tap on it, and if you find any update available for this app, then update it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. If possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check Kaizo Nightmare app is working or not. Next solution is to force stop Kaizo Nightmare app. So tap and hold Kaizo Nightmare app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then you have to clear the Kaizo Nightmare app cache. So tap and hold Kaizo Nightmare app again, then click on app info, click on storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it. Then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, then click on software update, and if you find any updates available for your device, then update it and then you can launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN, and you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Norton 360, Turbo VPN, NordVPN, Surfshark VPN, Proton VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app, connect to a different location than your current location, and then launch the game and check. If you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall Kaizo Nightmare app. So tap and hold Kaizo Nightmare app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm. Then restart your device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Kaizo Nightmare app, tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall it. And after the installation, you can then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Kaizo Nightmare app not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on Android device. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.